guys, Amanda here, and in this video, I will be unboxing the November 2016 Geek Gear World of Wizardry box. And I'm so excited because this is my first World of Wizardry box. I've considered getting this for months and months. I've been watching unboxing videos, and last month I decided to finally do it. I got the 3-month subscription, so I can't wait to open this up and see what's inside. Snowflakes, silver, I love it. First thing I got is a piggy bank. It has a scar, like Harry Potter though. It's cute, I like pigs. Little pig. It has a little scar on top of it. And you put things in there, and then, yeah, and you take it out if you want to get the money out. What is this? Not for ages 0 through 3. So, if you're 0 through 3, do not play with this, okay? Okay, good deal. Let's see what's next. Ooh. Vault 687. The Bank of Green Gods. Alright. And then on the back of it, says Unum Galleon. So it has number 1, so this is a galleon. So yeah, I got a galleon, guys. I'm pretty cool. Put it, glad it fit in my bank. So I got a Slytherin lanyard. This is a Geek Gear exclusive. And then, here you go. Next thing, I'll just do the shirt. People usually save the shirt for last, but I'll do the shirt right now. So this shirt I got says the Magical Congress of the United States of America. Or, as I like to call it, Makusa. And what is this? I think it's a wand. This says, from everyone at Hogwarts, treasure this wand and use it with care. It has some great history attached to it. Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. So, Merry Christmas from Hogwarts. That's awesome. This is really nice. Correct me if I'm wrong. But I think this is the wand of Harry Potter. Ooh. Ooh, I have a lot of cards. Yes. It says, Merry Christmas, you muggle. Have a magical Christmas. You got that too. And this is Happy Christmas. Have a very happy Christmas. Yes. Really happy I got something that says Happy Christmas because I love that they say Happy Christmas in the UK. Oh, I got some more things. So I got the envelopes for it. A postcard from J.K. Rowling's Wizarding World. Fantastic beasts and where to find them. Oh, this is really nice. So here is a print. It's a limited exclusive print by Eliana Steputat. And it's of the Weasleys with Harry. And I think that's probably Hermione. And Dobby's opening a present. And he's so happy because he's got some stockings. And it's really cute. Super adorable. November 2016. Yes, I was right. Harry Potter wand replica. The Gringotts coin. Start saving money in your very own Harry Potter piggy bank. Hogwarts house lanyard. Weasley's family Christmas print. Fantastic Fantastic Beasts postcard. Magical Christmas cards. 4 of them, plus 4 envelopes. Ooh, let me show you these envelopes real quick because I just surpassed them. Here's that. Here's this side. They look really nice. And it says Owl Post Service on them. Right there. Right there, right there. My Makusa shirt. Magical Congress of the United States of America. That is all. Over 400 prizes are up for grabs for everyone that subscribed to November's box. These are being sent out separately and are on their way. Congratulations to all the winners. So, if anybody wins, these are where you either get Jacob Kowalski, Percival Graves, or my personal favorite, the Niffler. So there's that. I'm really happy with this box. I can't wait for the next one. If you're interested in getting Geek Gear, I will put the link below. Geek Gear also has a regular subscription box where the theme changes every month. I think November's theme was animation, and December's theme is Nintendo. So I'm thinking about getting Nintendo because I love Nintendo and Super Mario. So we'll see if I decide to get that. So thank you so much for watching. Have a wonderful day, have a wonderful week, have a wonderful month, have a wonderful year, have a wonderful life. Bye.